Hello guys and welcome to Techland. In today's I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way on how to simply run and install desktop application software directly on your Android smartphone or tablet. Okay, so by using this method you can easily install and you can run any desktop application of your choice, be it a software or a game. You can easily run it. Okay, you don't have to own a computer to do this. All these you're going to be using an application for it, and this works smoothly and effectively. All right, you can install Chrome, you can install your computer applications such as Corel, Photoshop, and so on, any of your choice. All right, so to do this, first thing I want you to do is to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure anything you are not sure of, you can always comment and I'll always reply as soon as possible. And also, if you need a free file, if you need a free conv file for free browsing, be it MCN, LTE, Glo, or SpectraNet, please message me and you will see the link in the description below. Message me directly and I will reply as soon as possible. So first and first, what we're going to do is to go to your Chrome, all right, and go to this website, which I'll place in the description below. All right, so once you go to this website, all you have to do is to download the latest version of it. All right, make sure you download the latest version of it. All right, go to this website and make sure you download the latest version on it. Okay, as you can see, this is it right here. WinLittle 7.1 is the latest version as of today. Make sure you download it. This is what you're going to be downloading. Okay, I already have it installed on my device, so I'll just minimize and go to the application right here. This is right here. Okay, now when you get to this place, all you have to do is to click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Okay, and you see the name in container one. You can actually rename this to my PC or give it any name you want. You can select the screen size right here. Okay, and you can select the graphics driver. So I'll just leave it like that for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, you can also configure everything you want right here. You can also select the theme to dark or light. Okay, select the graphics here, so you can select the video memory. Okay, so I'm leaving mine at 4 gigabytes. Okay, so when you're done, just click on this icon right here. Click on it, so and wait for it to create the container. All right, so as you can see, it's created already. So all you have to do is to click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on run. So you just have to wait for it to properly configure your Windows, and using this is absolutely for free. Okay, using this is absolutely free. All right, so you can control your mouse using your thumb, or if you have a computer mouse, you can insert it to your device using OTG adapter, and the mice works properly well on this. So right here we have the desktop, we have your documents, we have the computer, we have the C drive, you have the D drive, you have the E drive, and you have the Z drive. Okay, so all you have to do is to come to your D drive. Okay, if you want to scroll down, you can just double click on it and drag, or you can as well place your other thumb at the any empty space area and just drag. Okay, you can either double click and drag, or you can place your left thumb in an empty space while you use your right thumb and just drag just like this. All right, so as you can see, I have Audacity. As you can see, this file extension is exe, meaning it's an computer application. All right, so you can install anything you want right here and to work just fine. These are the applications I have. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be installing let me just say we're going to be installing the Audacity. All right, so let me just click on it. Okay, as you can see, you can click on next. So all you have to do is to wait for it to install. All right, wait for it to install. You can as well maximize and minimize. You can come here and check your, as you can see, I think I click it twice, so you can see right here Audacity is perfectly installed. So let's open and see. All right, as you can see, it's working perfectly. You can also record and do whatever you want to do. Okay, so make sure you properly configure this to how it suits you. All right, so you can also install Corel on whatever you want to do without actually owning a PC. All right. Okay, and one thing here, if you want to go on full screen, okay, you can come to this place where you see the keyboard, the input control. These are how you can customize your gaming. Toggle full screen. When you click on it, you can see it go on full screen. All right, so this is all you need to know about how to properly run and install a computer software application directly on your Android smartphone or tablet. Alright guys, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thank you.